Hi, my name's Steve and welcome to the Seaside Allotment channel, and today we're just going to talk about early Calabrese for the Hungry Gap. And it's really nice. I mean, Calabrese is just one of my all-time favourite of the brassica family, and it's nice to have it as a complement to the purple sprouting broccoli, which kind of comes available at a similar sort of time. And the key really to growing Calabrese is to overwinter it, and you've got to have somewhere not frost free but not too cold and not too hot, basically, so you keep it a reasonable temperature. Now if you can keep it frost free, obviously that's even better, and I've got a little greenhouse where I keep most things frost free. So I'll show you the progressions that I've got. So this is an example of a plant that was planted in September, and as you can see it's just starting to create a flower head, and quite a few of these. I think I don't know exactly how many, but probably 10 or something like that. And I've got plants that were planted a month later. They're not that much smaller, but there's no sign of a head on those, and that's nice because they'll probably come to maturity 3 or 4 weeks later or something like that. And then I've got even smaller ones that are still in pot. So these 3 Calabrese, these will be ready for planting in a few weeks time. And again, I think these were planted in October, just a little bit later, but I think it's a good idea to plant some in November as well, and they'll do much better than Calabrese planted about now. So 4th of February I think it is today, and I should be planting some Calabrese tomorrow, but they won't be ready probably till the end of May, June time. So really you can see the difference. I mean, these plants will be available much earlier than that, and we'll eat the leaves as well. We eat the leaves of most of the brassica plants, so there's no point just waiting for the Calabrese head. Eat some of the leaves as you're going along. And if you haven't got space in your beds to grow plants to maturity, and I haven't got space in my beds because, as you can see, they're pretty well populated. You can grow them in pots as well. I'm not quite sure how well they'll do. Never having done this before, but I think it'll get a decent head. It won't be huge probably, but it'll be okay. So so I've got those there in pots as well. So there you go. If you've got space in your greenhouse, and just pot some stuff up, put some in September, some October, some November, and then some more in early February, and keep on going. Calabrese, fantastic. So let me know, have you grown any early Calabrese? How early have you got it? And any other great hints and tips for filling the hungry gap. See you soon.